beautiful soul, let's add magic to this dress. So I have this top that one of my friends shared with me, and it looks like this. Okay? What we are gonna do is, we'll take the bottom of it like this, and we're gonna tie it around over here at the back. Take a safety pin and tie it over here. So now it looks like this. What we can also do is just do it like this over here and take a safety pin. Then take one of my bow. Magic! Yay! Make sure you're adding magic to everything. You're inviting gods and goddesses of creativity, fairies, all the spirit realm that wants to bring magic into your life. You are also setting that intention, like, gods and goddesses of creativity, guide me today. Fairies, guide me today. Just literally say that, fuck logic, I want magic. God bless me with a super magical life, extraordinary magical life. You guys, I'm taking my dog out for a walk, and every time I go out before I head out of my home, I always pray to Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Kali, Ma Durga, Lord Hanumanji to accompany me and my dog, to keep us safe on our walk, to bring us back home safely, to make our walk very prosperous, very magical. And they always, so many times, like, whenever I go out, so many magical things would happen. So, and if you have a baby, or if you're even going out by yourself, heading out of home, if you say a prayer, and also a gratitude for coming back home safely in advance, that really works. You guys, look at the sun. मेरे इसमें कैमरा में आओ, इधर आओ, हेलो बोलो. let's see what all magic this day has in store for us. That was universe sending us love. It's such a beautiful gift to come out for a walk and look at the sun and the greenery. Truly a beautiful gift. I thought I will go for a walk really up, but it's hot, and Rani, my dog, she didn't had her breakfast and she's feeling hot. So I think I'm gonna go back home and then come back for an evening walk. You guys, it is, another gift is to not, yes, we are privileged when we have a lot of work to do, but there is so much, like, as I have lost my mom, and to go through the pain, to feeling the pain and loss, we need to have time, like, time to really just be free. And also as a woman, to be able to be free and feeling safe in being free, feeling so safe in having to do nothing, just feeling, letting our body just be free. We don't have to, like, when I said, like, okay, let's see what the magic this day has for us, and this is magic, to be able to really be where we are, where I am, and without wanting to rush to, like, going towards anything or to do something, because that is a true trust. Like, okay, I know where I'm meant to be, God will get me there, and so I can just enjoy where I am. Just, yeah. You guys, just got done eating my papaya. I am manifesting, like, amazing pooping experiences. Like, when I go to potty and I sit on that pot, like, potty should come out. Like, I know it's I don't know, I felt like you'll feel like, oh my god, this girl is so disgusting, talking about potty and all, but that's what it is. Life is about having a healthy digestion, having healthy poop, meaning when you sit on that, it should just naturally come out of you. The stools should be so soft and effortless, and yeah, I'm manifesting that for us. God, dear God, bless me and everybody who's watching this and listening to me right now. Bless us with beautiful pooping experiences and beautiful digestion. Beautiful soul, let's channel some spiritual, intuitive, psychic messages for you. And before I start to do that, I want to show you something. Ta-da! Do you see this natural lightning? Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful. And you guys, I'm making chickpea chila. So for that, I soaked some chickpeas last night and then I grinded them. I just grinded them in the mixer without boiling it. But they were soaked last night, okay? Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nijman Mukur Sudhari Varna Raghuvar Vimal Sujodaya Sudhariya Sur Sahare Ramchand. While I'm cooking, I always chant Hanuman Chalisa. Not always, but yeah, I'm making it a habit to do it always. So I'm adding this grated carrots and beetroot to this chickpea mixture, and I will also what do we say? Fine. There's a word for it, bro. There's a word for it, and I know it. Finely chopped. I will finely chop this green chili and also add that to this. Adding another green chili because one is not enough. I'm kidding, one is usually enough, but I think today I need to add extra. I am not a spicy person. I like my food to have natural, sober flavors. I'm not like too spicy or too like this. Yeah, I just want Mother Earth to feed me very nutritious meal. Nutritious meal, colorful meal. Yeah. Adding grated ginger. रघुपति कीनी हत बढ़ाए तुम मम प्रिय वर भीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय जग जाना युग सहस्त्र. Adding some dried fenugreek leaves. I'm about to crush some roasted cumin seeds. जी के काज सवारे लाए सजी श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Adding some salt. लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना सहस्त्र जोजन पर भानु मिलो ताहि मधुर फल जाओ मुद्रिका मिले मुख माही चल दिलांग गए अचरज नाही काहू को डरना. I'm so grateful Mother Earth blessed me with the money to get coconut oil. So grateful. कानन कुंडल कुंचित के आज सुवेशा. Our first chila is ready, but we have this much better left, and I'm gonna make all of them because it's not only me who eats. My baby girl, my fur baby, like my queen Rani, my dog, she eats that. Like she also eats. Like of course, I get to cook for her. It's a blessing. It's a privilege, truly. Like in this lifetime, she chose me to look after her, to take her out for peeing, pooping, to clean after her. When she pees, almost, yeah, just like on the bed sheet and all of that. It's a privilege. It's a privilege to be doing that, okay? राम लखन सीता सहेत हृदय बसहु सुरभु श्रीवर चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी नौ रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायक फल छारी बुद्धिहीन जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमारा बल विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेशु विकारा हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक जागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजन कृपवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी तिनिवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरन विराज शाखानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे दे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुमन केसरी तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान अति चातुर राम काज करबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित सुन को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धर लंक जरावा भीम धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र जी के काज सवारे इस जीवन लखन जी आए श्री रघुवीर हर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि संभाई हस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अश्कय श्रीपति कंठ लगावे कादिक ब्रह्मादि मनीषा नारद शारद सहित अहिस कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कभी को बिद कह सके कहाँ तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा राम मिलाए पर दीन्हा तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जन अनायुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु दिन ताहि मधुर फल जानो प्रभु मोदिका मुख माही जगद लांग गए अचरज नाही मृगम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह ते राम दुआरे तुम रखवा होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा पत निरंतर हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 है हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई हो सत बार पाठ कर कोई टूट ही बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्ध सखी गौरीसा जो दास सदा हरि हे राखी जे नाथ हृदय हडेरा पवन तनय कटहरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. Chila number 2 is ready, and I'm gonna not record rest of the chila making thing because then my battery is gonna go down, and I do not want that. I want my battery to be always full, phone battery. I want my bank account to be always joyfully flowing with a lot of money. I want my life to be full of love, joy, creative inspiration, heartwarming, heart moving interactions with people, and like just warm, full of life, to be full of warmth, love, joy, happiness, meaningful conversation, meaningful work, and devotion to God and God's, and yeah, my life to be full of creative inspiration from gods and goddesses of creativity, and full of beautiful healing colors. Yeah. Okay, do you hear me? And I want the same for you. You guys, it's time to taste this. I have already tasted it, but I'm gonna do that again for ya. Okay. Hmm. I love it. Truly. Mmm. So good. You should try it. Mmm. Mmm. I should be making chutney with it, but yeah, no. Mmm. I loved it. Mmm. So good. I'm so grateful to have the energy in my body to cook this meal, and to have all the resources like utensils, cooking gas, and all the vegetables and everything, and mixer to make this meal. And like yesterday I said a prayer, and I did this exercise to be grateful in advance. I was like, thank you Mother Earth for sending me the money for induction, or like, and then I also requested, I'm like, I'm handing it over to you. You make sure you bless me with a proper arrangement to eat and to cook my meals. And then I received the money from my father to get the induction. And now my desire, deepest heart desire, is that my business makes more than enough money, that I have like big chunks of savings and reoccurring income every weekly, monthly, and just like yeah, like my business takes care of every financial thing. And also like send me beautiful friends who are good for me, and like beautiful partner. Yeah, thank you Mother Earth for sending me wonderful friends and beautiful loving partner who is such a protector and provider, who does everything to see me happy and healthy, and makes me like adores me so much, and makes me the bestest and confident and sexiest version of myself. And I want thank you Mother for blessing me with relationship that feels so safe. you know what do you want in advance? Like, be grateful for it in advance and comment down below. Okay, I want to read it and like add the most positive energies to that. You guys, I have come out for a walk with this girl over here who is hiding behind me in nature, and I suddenly looked up and there were so many stars, made me feel good. I was missing my mom, and yeah, but I looked up and there were so many stars. Sometimes I feel like like that I will never be able to hear her, and any song that I will hear on YouTube or anywhere in regards to mom, it will put me back into just that shock that I don't have her anymore. Even though her spirit, I feel it, and God has been so amazing, these trees around, and Mother Nature has been taking care of me, but like Mother Earth has been so like louder in her love towards me. But it's still you always miss your mom, whether however relationship was good, bad, whatever. But like, it's like, yeah, grief takes time, just if you are going through any kind of loss, just be patient, because it doesn't happen like, moving forward in 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or a year. It takes time, it takes time, and you have to give yourself time and space to cry, to be sad, to be missing her, to be, take care of your health, but don't stop. Like, have simple healthy habits that keep you, like being hydrated, coming out for a walk, or doing some gentle exercises, so that you can stay healthy, and at the same time you can process the grief and all, and pain and the confusion and the anger that might be there. Like with my death, I was like, maybe my father did not take care of my mother better, the doctors didn't do better, and so much, we lost her because of like the mistakes that in the family somebody had made of not taking her to the right doctor, things like that. The anger, processing that, and the confusion and the questions like, oh, was I a good son to her, was I a good daughter to her, and all of these, it really helps. Yeah. Also, when I lost her, I was very unsure. Like when I lost my mom, I was so unsure, like how will I manage, like how will I get back to doing regular things, like making money, career and all, and like how will I pay my rent and all these things. And Mother Earth was so kind, she gave me the time and space to grieve. My landlady was so gentle. Even though I was delayed on rent, 2 month delay, 3 month delay, she was just very kind. Like Mother Earth, that time and space to grieve, to cry, to heal, to be sick and get better. Like I go through like lot of stomach issues before my period, okay? Like I will not be able to poop and all. I need to have a healthy home, and so that I have access to healthy, like my personal washroom, and I can do, like me having access to my personal like washroom really helps. Cause yeah, and then it's a privilege, like it's a blessing, to have a time and space to cry, to grieve, to be sick, and to give, and being sick in a safe place, and then so that we can heal ourselves. It's really necessary, and Mother Earth took care of it all. Really, it is Mother Earth, genuinely, yeah. So just in case you're worried about all these things, I just want to reassure you that you will have full support, okay? Full support. The fear will be loud, the worry will be loud, the nervousness and anxiousness. But I swear, when we are in deep pain like this, that is where we can actually feel God, genuinely. I don't know how that is true. Like, I don't know the science behind it, but I have felt it over and over again. Like, when I'm in deep fear, like when fear has completely hijacked my mind, my body, my heart, and like completely, okay, that is where some magic will happen. Like, some energy will come. Sometimes it's like 10,000 feathers rubbing over my cells. That kind of sensation comes. It was like angel. And sometimes, one time I was so afraid around food. Like, how will I, have healthy food when I was starting to take care all to take care of my health back in 2020. I was afraid, how will I afford it? I was fearful and all that. Suddenly there's this voice came in my heart, like, I am your mother, I will provide. It was Mother Earth talking to me. Like, wait, like if you are that fearful, and like angels will intervene for you on your behalf, okay? It is like that. So just keep going, guys. Like, I have come here, look, and I'm just gonna say a prayer. Dear God, bless me and the person who is watching this or is around me. Bless us all with your epic guidance and your epic support. Bless us all with healthy food and healthy guidance, and just all the resources that we need to make healthier choices. All the resources and money and guidance that we need to do what is in the highest good for us. Yeah. It's done. It's done. It's done. 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 Okay, I love you. You guys, I cut my hair by myself and I cut them extra short. And yeah, extra short, uneven. Left side is shorter and right side is much bigger. Right now, I just opened my braids and all of that. And my attitude was like it happened for something good. Every time I cut my hair and I cut them extra short or some, I just immediately say it is happening for something good. And then suddenly spirit will inspire new kind of beauty inside of me. Like,